Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Vinny Prybar. We're on site at a customer's house and there's a missing shingle. This one's fairly easy. The only thing that we have to do in order to put that shingle is remove the couple of nails that are up under that hold this one down, because your shingles will have, see how there's a nail right there. This is the shingle that's actually nailed. This is the nail that holds the shingle. This is the second row. So this has been exposed for a while. The nail heads are rusted. Probably gonna take those out and redo them too. But the first thing we need to do is be able to get this shingle, the new shingle, all the way up underneath the old one. So we're gonna unzip this one here by finding the weak spot, or not a weak spot, but find a way to get in there. And I'm always going to unzip the whole thing so I can actually have access without ripping and breaking the shingle. And this, so with the chisel head design, it just opens up, no problem. So the only nails I need to remove to re-nail this, the new one, back in place, is the ones that are holding here. And just blindly, if you go, oh, there's a nail right here. You can feel it. You'll bump into something. If there's not a nail there, then it's just going to keep moving. Good thing there's not very many nails in this. All roofs are created equal. So there's actually, you gotta be kidding me, right? There's no nails all the way through. All the way through this. There's, oh wow. Alright, so we're probably going to go a little deeper and re-nail most of this. Because I should have, either that or they high nailed. They high nailed way up there. That's pretty deep in this bar. That's pretty deep in the bar, which is way higher. That's where the nail would be, at the tip of the head. So they high nailed this shingle like crazy. So I may not even have to pull those to get the new ones in. But I will take out the existings. The other thing about this is the way the hand's set. The handle's up and backwards. So once I grab the nail head with the back hook, I can just pull it. And it pops right out. Nice and easy. There's another one. I'll take it and twist it out. See how it raised the shingle? It's up under there. Just grab it, comes right out every time. Thanks for watching.